I'd like to introduce you to a new book which I have out called The Painful Kneecap. Now, you may be familiar with this sports injuries textbook that I wrote, and this is quite a tome. It's sort of 650 pages, and it's quite technical. And what the painful kneecap does is it takes a single condition and it makes it more available to patients particularly and to junior therapists. So it's based on the Kindle platform. So what you would do, as I've got on my screen here, I've typed in to Amazon the search phrase. So I just put in Norris painful kneecap and you come up with this book. And it's $4.99 and it's available on Kindle, but of course you can use it on any different tablet. So for example, I've got it running on the Kindle app on my iPad here. Let me just quickly take you through it. So we've got 31 pages and it essentially takes all the information from a science perspective and makes it more available. So we've got a little bit of talk there about the structure and function of the knee and the kneecap. And then we go through some biomechanics, how things work in terms of the knee. And then we look onto some research and the sorts of things which are right and wrong, how a physiotherapist will do the consultation, and that's obviously quite useful for therapists themselves. Looking at what actually causes your painful kneecap and differentiating it from other conditions. And then we go through to some treatments. And on these treatments, we've got each one illustrated with a photograph in some detail, with some detailed instructions. And then, because it's an ebook, we've got a link. And when you press this link, you go through to a private part on YouTube, which then gives you a video.
There are treatment and management of patellofemoral pain.
So each of the techniques, and there are 9 techniques illustrated, has an explanation, a photograph, and then a video. So we've got a little bit on orthotics, what they are and whether you need one, and again a video on that. And then we go through into some rehabilitation. We look at how to do rehabilitation, how to make it harder and how to make it lighter and how to sort of tailor it to for yourself. And each of the exercises has a full explanation and a video which has instructions and notes as well. So we've got heavily illustrated book with loads of videos on what to do, how to do it and when to do it. And at the end of the book, we have a detailed summing up and some science references for those who want to follow that. So that's The Painful Kneecap, my new ebook available on Amazon. Thanks for watching.